अच्छा जी, start with PPOM old. Let's check what is the status of our company. 01 2002. Bestway Cement Group. Finance, HR, Finance, HR. Okay. 501. Change. Okay. New graphic. Graphics. This is the structure of the company. Sure. Let's move on, and we will go to SM30 T582A. File maintenance dialog. Continue. Info type attributes. Maintain. Okay. Now these are the info types which we will prepare and configure for our end users. Whenever a person will be hired, that person will get an organizational assignment, whether he's from marketing, finance, production, whatever. Personal data, name, last name, date of birth, and so on. Payroll status, contractual, hourly, salaried, retired, or special assignment. Leave entitlement based on the schedules we make for hourly and salaried people. Leave entitled will be configured, and so on. So info types play a very major role in making a complete structure of any client. Okay. Every info type has time constraints. What are time constraints? Overlapping. Like education can have overlapping or no? Yes, sometimes. Employment status, overlappings, yes. But basic education, secondary, higher secondary, no overlaps. And based on this, we can change our info types. So there are info types for bank details, education, qualification, appraisals, and so on. Let's move on. SPRO. Personal management. Personal administration. Organizational data. Organizational assignments. Employee attributes. Country grouping. Okay. Country groupings. Panama, Oman, Peru, Pakistan. Active, Bestway, BHBI. Activity status, employment status, training status. What are these statuses? F1, active employee. Activity status, active employee, retiree, early retiree, other. Other means customizable, part-time work. So this is active. Employment status, F1. Industrial worker, salaried employee, civil servant, other. F1. Trainee status, trainee, trained, other. So our salaried and hourly have these statuses. Okay. Fair enough. Define terms of employment, Germany. Country grouping, PK, contract, Bestway. Okay. International terms of employment, PK, contract, Bestway. Create payroll area, X8, salaried, hourly, F1, X8, F1. Valid entries are X or blank, which means run payroll for payroll area. Yes, we will run payroll for these two areas. Acha, next. Create payroll area, X8, X9, monthly, weekly. Run payroll for payroll area. Date modifier is whether you want to run monthly payroll on 26th of every month or 2nd of every month. This is the date modifier. Weekly will be again first day of the week or the last day of the week. Okay. Period parameter. Okay, what is period parameter? Let's check that. Period parameter is monthly, 03 is weekly. This is essential. Again, I'll do it. Monthly. Monthly or weekly. For hourly, it is weekly. For monthly, it is 0, 1. Okay. Next is default payroll area. Okay. ABKRS. Okay. ABKRS is our default value. Otherwise, Molga country grouping is PK. Pakistan employee subgroup X9 payroll area. Employee subgroup is BH and BI. Okay. Acha. Next is create control record. Payroll area X8. Change payroll is 0122 3122. When the payroll will be run, no runs have been executed and it will be released for payroll. Until our configuration is not complete, we will not release it. Okay. X9 display 3.1 and 9.1 because this is weekly. So we will have to maintain the periods SM 30 T549 Q V T549Q. Maintain period parameters monthly 01. We have maintained for 1990 page down. We have for 2022, 23, 24. We have for monthly. Maintain 03. Period parameters 03 is weekly. We have maintained till 2010. We will have to maintain 52 weeks for 2022 as per the calendar. Okay. Fine. Okay. Next is personnel management, personnel administration, organizational data, and organization data, organization plan, organization plan. Organization plan, define units. We have already defined, we have defined the jobs. We have defined positions. Define administrator groups. Okay. Administrator, new entries. Employee subgroup, hourly, APPL. Okay. Define administrator. This is Bestway, personal admin, time admin, payroll admin. BY, BWT. BWP, BWT, BWY. Okay. Personal data. 1 second. Organizational data. Personal data. Okay. Let us check in EA30. EA30. Personal. Personal area. Personal area. Best pieces. Start search. Felix Jr. Personal data. Change. Okay. In personal data, what do we have? Birth name, birth date, nationality, city of birth, since, number of child, religion, and so on. Okay. So what do we do here? We create address types. Okay. Current address, Bestway, 78, right? You have 78. Okay. And we can add another one, 79, project address, Bestway. Project address, if a person is deployed on a project, he will have that address. Time constraint, record must have no gaps. Yeah, a person can be in multiple projects, may include gaps, no overlappings. Multiple projects, no, it can overlap. It can exist more than once. See, 79. Best. And there you go. Right? 79. Project address, Bestway. Okay. And you can also define counties for Japan. description, and these are the county codes that you can define. Okay, postal codes, name format, identification, disability, this can be defined as well. And name format, residence status, personal data, create forms of address, Mr., Mrs., or any other professor or chef, whatever, cook, and something like that. Marital status, single, married. For countries like Pakistan, double married, triple married. 2 wives, 3 wives, right? We can add that marital status as well. So